Hello everyone, my name is Hasnainx and I am welcoming you to be a part of my family, Mr. Hasnainx. As I said in the last video, today we are going to discuss about how the engine supplies power to the wheels. So like how the car moves. So how the engine transmits power through the help of different parts and the power supplies directly to the wheels. So before we gonna start, I want to let you know that I have been working on this field from past 3 years. In Volkswagen and Toyota, I have gained more than enough experience, and whatever is there in my head, I will display on front of you. So before starting, I want to say that we will move gradually on to different things. So let's start today. So today's topic is how the engine supplies power to the wheels. So how does engine transmits power to the wheels? So here basically I'm gonna show you a diagram. Suppose this is an engine. Engine transmits power to the transmission. The transmission transfers the power to the drive shafts. And with the help of drive shafts, the wheel moves. There are very complicated things in moving the wheels, so I am just classifying the simple things. These are the simple things, and we will go deeply into that. So let me figure out a diagram. Suppose this is the engine. Here comes the engine head, the engine body, the crankcase, and the oil sump. This is the oil sump, body, or we can say a combustion chamber. Then comes the head. So this is the engine, and here comes the flywheel. Flywheel has some spines on it, so I'm displaying it like this way. Then comes the clutch. Here comes the clutch. Suppose this is the clutch. Then here comes the transmission box. Here comes the transmission. So likely we will discuss about the front engine rear wheel drive. Okay. So here comes the spider joint, and here comes the propeller shaft, and there will be a universal joint here, and here will be the differential, and these are the axles. And suppose these are the wheels or something. So this is flywheel, this is clutch, this is transmission box, here comes the spider or something, this is the propeller shaft, this is the differential, these are the axles, these are the wheels. So basically in this, what happens? The engine produces some energy. So what is engine? Engine is a simple device. Engine is a simple device which transforms chemical energy into heat energy. Chemical energy into heat energy. Then further the heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. So from the engine, the mechanical energy directly goes to the flywheel. As I said, the flywheel. Then from flywheel, the power transmits to the clutch. The clutch has a very special function here. So in the next video, we will discuss about how the clutch works, how the clutch gives powers and transmits to other parts of the vehicle. So clutch is a device which engages and disengages the engine power to the transmission. Okay, so this is clutch. The engine transmits to flywheel, then it goes to the clutch. The clutch engages and disengages the engine power. Then the engine power is directly transmitted to transmission. What is a transmission? Transmission is nothing but it varies the speed, the torque, and it supplies to further mechanical systems. So from here the energy moves to transmission. The transfers the energy to propeller shaft. So we are discussing about front engine rear wheel drive. So there will be a propeller shaft here. So the propeller shaft simply rotates and there will be a universal joint. It has a very unique technology which can transfer the energy if the vehicle is moving upside down or something. Then the propeller shafts transmit the energy to differential. Differential is a very important thing in a car which transfers the energy to the axles. We will come to that in the further videos. So in the next video we will discuss about the clutch, and after that we may discuss about the axles, the differential, etc. So the differential transmits the energy into perpendicular way in the 90-degree format. In the 90-degree format, the engine power goes directly to the differential. The differential divides the energy into two parts at perfectly 90 degree. The axle rotates and there will be hub joints, many more things. This is very difficult to explain here. We will discuss in further videos. Then the wheel finally moves. When the wheel moves, absolutely the car moves. So this is about front engine rear wheel drive. In the next video, we will discuss about clutch, and we can in the further videos I can also teach about the engine transmission, which is front wheel drive, front engine front wheel drive. So this was for today. So which are the important topics? Engine power supplies to the flywheel, flywheel supplies power to the clutch supplies power to the transmission supplies power to the propeller shaft, propeller shaft directly transfers the energy to the differential transmits the power in the 90-degree angle, the axle moves, the tire moves. This is the simple basics about how the engine power is transmitted to the wheels. So this was the end of the day. In the next further videos, we will discuss about the clutch. The clutch is a very important thing and we will gradually move on to other things. So let's see. If possible, we can discuss about clutch, or else we can go through the engine, which is front engine front wheel drive. That is very also easy. That's not very complicated. So this was the end of the day. Thank you for watching the video, and in the future we will discuss about more things. Thank you.